After 11 o'clock, as we have mentioned, mga kasimanwa, ang Lean Icang Antique 2023 considered no as one of the prestigious pageants here in the province of Antique kag nagatabidya no sa selebrasyon sa ating kadyang Binirayan Festival. And at this sa ating nga linya talad ang bago gid namang mga kaibigan na koronahan nga Lean Icang Antique 2023 si Miss Michelle Ann Solidario sa Juanitas. Ma'am Michelle, good morning. Si Mark Anjo de la Gracia kang DYKA and Spirit FM.
Hello, good morning. Kagmayad God lang sa tanan.
We thank you, ma'am, no, for the opportunity and time you've shared with us this morning. Natin nga medyo masaka gid no after kanjay coronation night kagabi and medyo tiring day pa or tiring time pa for you no, but anyway, nevertheless we thank you for the time you've shared with us. No, kamusta ang feeling right now pagkatapos kanjay coronation kag ikaw gid no ang nakoronahan, and we would like to congratulate you, Miss Michelle, bilang bago natin nga LKA 2023, ma'am.
Thank you very much. Honestly, sir, I'm so overwhelmed. There's so many people greeting me. It's just a new chapter in my life that I'm really thankful for. And it's just so surreal, Papa. Wala pa siya nag-sink in ka na ako. But I'm really glad and I'm blessed with ya. And I knew that this was all part of God's plan, and I'm glad na I did trust Him with this.
It sounds daw ara pata na nag-sink in kanimo, but could you tell us, Miss Michelle, no, if what prompted you to join Lean Icang Antique, and we all know no from Barbasa then to the Lean Icang Antique stage, but what prompted you to join the pageants like that no ang sa Lean Icang Antique and Lean Icang Barbasa?
Okay, so I started doing community work when I was 13, and I started in my hometown, Barbasa. And that really inspired me to join the pageant because I made a promise to help the people in my community. And I knew that I would be able to do it if I have the platform such as Lean Icang Antique. And through God's grace, I'm just blessed that I was crowned last night, and I'm willing to use the platform not just in my hometown but in all over Antique. We're going to promote our advocacy in sexual reproductive health, and of course we're going to push through different advocacies as well, such as tourism and education, and we're going to do it as much as we can because we wanted to be that change maker that we aspire to be as a beauty queen po.
Opo. No, may we know, ma'am, if you're still studying or you've already graduated from college?
I'm studying po, sir. I'm currently a second year nursing student sa West Visayas State University.
I see. So, did you expect syempre sa preliminary, you were awarded no as the best in interview, and then the moment you heard the question kang diyang ating MC last night, what really got into your mind no on how you will be answering that question sa ginpamangkot nga final question, Miss Michelle?
It's actually, sir, I just reminded myself of what happened the day before when I met those two little girls that I mentioned during the final question and answer. Because sa tuod lagi, sir, sandagin man ang nag-inspire ka na ako, because during that time, the day before the coronation, of course, everyone was exhausted, and what I felt was I was really nervous and I was losing motivation. But while they were watching me do the rehearsals for the pasarela, they joined, and that somehow inspired me. Kaya nadumduman ko kung diin ako, kung bata ako, and kung diin ako kadya. Amugid na ang nag-push through sa ako ng ako ng mga handong, all of my dreams, not just for me, but also for my loved ones, and of course for the whole Antique.
Oo. To ko nami lang bala, Miss Michelle, no, from that perspective no and personal experience no with those two girls you mentioned last night, and then incorporate mo ta na with the aspirations no you have right now kag syempre na atuman gani no ang pagbuel kang corona you know kang Lean Icang Antique. But what lies ahead no for Lean Icang of Antique 2023, Miss Michelle?
What lies ahead at this moment, I still don't know, but I'm praying for clarity for what will happen next. But whatever whatever will come, whatever big opportunities will come, I'll be blessed and honored to have it, and we're going to push through forward. So, hindi pa determined po kung ano bigla ang matago, but one thing for sure is that I will continue to inspire other people.
What are we expecting, no, in your stint as the current Lin Ay Kang Antique 2023 in terms of advocacies? You mentioned your platforms, no? What can we expect, Miss Michelle?
I actually wanted to pursue programs and platforms when it comes to sexual and reproductive health. I'm hoping to have the opportunity to go from different municipalities and go to different barangays to teach about sexual and reproductive health, because I think importante yun nga maistoryahan doon natin ang amuna nga topiko to erase the stigma, and at the same time to push through people to take action, because our bodies matter. And we need to learn more about it, we need to be aware about it, and we need to be responsible of what we do.
Kanami gid, no, at least this is that advocacy is one of mambal natin daw no iba man tana because of the stigma gani right now, no, when we talk about reproductive health, no. And nakita natin kagabi ang you are from Hinalinan, Barbasa, Miss Michelle, right?
Yes po.
Nakita natin kagabi ang joyous moment, no, kang imong mga kabarangay rigyan kang ginkoronahanan ikaw, no, and they were really shouting, and una pa lang to naga-shagit rin nga Barbasa gadayon, no. Currently you are the SK chairperson, no, of Hinalinan, Barbasa.
Yes, I am.
And you really made them proud, no, ang imo barangay, and of course, no, the whole municipality of Barbasa. But may mensahe ikaw sa mga luyag mag-pursue, no, kang pageant, and for those nga nag-aspire to really become a queen, no, sadyang mga parehas ka dyan sa mga prestigious pageant, what message can you give to them?
What I would tell them, sir, is that to go for it. I think that pageants, they don't really have to be just for a specific type of people. It's for everyone. Because pageants, it's more than just a showcase of beauty. It's about having a platform to share your story, to share your purpose. And that is why I admire the girls from Lin Ay Kang Antique a lot, because they all have their own aspirations and inspirations. And I think for those who wanted to become a beauty queen, I'm just going to say that go for it, because I know that you can, and whatever purpose that you have, just continue to believe in it. And there are a lot of reasons that why you should keep on going. Just remember to stay confident, stay true, and most importantly, to trust in the Lord that whatever happens, it's all part of His plan.
Very well said, Gid, no, Miss Michelle. But how challenging was this, no, to be in Lin Ay Kang Antique stage, especially last night, no?
How challenging po?
Yes. How challenging was it, no?
Like I said, sir, all of the girls are so amazing. They're all beautiful. They're all smart, and the tides are unpredictable. It was really challenging because, we are all doing our best, and siguro at that time, honestly po, sir, I was expecting to be nervous. But as soon as I stepped out of the stage, I felt calm. All throughout the pageant, I felt really calm, because I knew that whatever happens, I made my municipality proud. And there are a lot of people who believed in me. And that means so much to me. And that helped me gain motivation to endure any kinds of challenges along the way.
So finally, Miss Michelle, I'll give you the floor to thank everybody who had the important role, no, sa imo kadya nga nangin journey paagto sa corona kang Lin Ay Kang Antique 2023.
Ano po talaga, like, very thankful ako just before the pageant for those who helped me, for those who cheered for me, for those who supported me. I have seen their videos and I was crying because I was touched. It means so much to have a whole community supporting you to have a whole community believing in you. And that is what I'm holding on up until now, because I know this new chapter is going to be more challenging. But I also know that I can do it as long as I have this whole Antique community by my side.
With this, Miss Michelle Ann Bautista, our newly, Miss Michelle Ann Juanitas, no, rather, ang aton bago lang gid na koronahan, the newly crowned Lin Icang Antique 2023. We thank you, ma'am, for the time you shared with us here sa DYKA and Spirit FM.
Thank you so much for everyone. Have a good day.